Hey, what's going on, guys? Coach Bronson here, and I got a quick message I think some of you need to hear. When we talk about not looking back and focusing on things that happened in the past in the context of allowing yourself to move forward, it's not always the negative aspect. Sometimes, okay, when we look back, we're looking back to say, hey, I've come so far. That's a good thing. It cannot be a focus, it cannot be reoccurring and taking the place of your looking forward. I see it happen all the time. People I talk to when I'm having coaching sessions, people I see in their progress, posting on Instagram, posting on Facebook, in conversation, in context. We a lot of people get stuck in a form of complacency because they're so focused on where they've come from. They have no impetus, no desire, not a desire, no fire, okay, sense of urgency. That's the word I'm looking for. No sense of urgency to move forward. If you are stuck looking back at the past, not just in comparison to what you could have done or what you used to do in the past and feeling stuck because you can't do that now. That's what we often talk about it in context of. If you're stuck looking at how far you've come and being proud of the progress that you've made, to the distraction of the progress you still have to make, stop. Focus on where you're going. Otherwise, you're going to be in the same spot a year from now. Okay? You cannot move forward if you're looking back for any reason. Comparing to where you've come, where you were to where you've come and the progress that you've made is a tool to use to help you stay motivated and keep moving forward. It is not a stopping point for you to sit still. Okay? I want you to move forward. I want you to have a goal, have a reason, get angry, get sad, get happy, get pissed off, whatever emotion you need to get that sense of urgency and that fire going inside of you again. Start looking at where you want to go, what the possibilities are, things that you want to be able to do in your life to show the freedom to experience the physical things that life has to offer. Okay? Don't look back, look forward. You can do it. I have faith in you. I know that you can get where you want to go one step at a time. Keep pushing.